Hello! Welcome back to Miss MJ's YouTube channel. I'm so happy to see you here with me. Last week we talked about St. Patrick's Day, and one of the symbols for this holiday is rainbows. Many people like rainbows because they're so colorful and they can brighten your day. I love rainbows. That's why on my YouTube page you'll see a big rainbow. Today we're going to talk a little bit about what rainbows are and where they come from and what colors they have. So, where do they come from? Well, we often see rainbows on rainy days. This is because rainbows are a reflection of light. When sunlight hits a water drop, the light reflects into the sky into 7 different colors. What colors do you think a rainbow has? In a rainbow, you will see a specific order known as Roy G. Biv, which stands for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These are all the colors we see in a rainbow. Now that we have learned a little bit about rainbows, join me for a fun activity where we will make fizzing rainbow rocks. Are you ready? Let's go! For this melting rainbow activity, you are going to need baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, and some water just in case. I have 6 glasses here with me and 6 spoons to go with them. And you're going to need red, yellow, blue, food coloring, and if you have orange or other rainbow colors, you can bring them as well. We're gonna start by scooping 1 tablespoon of baking soda into each cup. Now, we're going to add the food coloring and stir each color. Do you see what the colors are looking like? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. I ordered my colors in rainbow order. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Since red, yellow, and blue are primary colors, you can mix them up to make other colors. Like here, you can mix up red and yellow to make orange. You can mix yellow and blue to make green. And you can mix red and blue to make purple. The next step is to add a drop of dish soap. You're going to add a drop to each color and mix it up. You're trying to make a paste out of your dish soap and the baking soda. So, if your baking soda is not coming together, add a little bit more dish soap. You will know your dough is ready when it easily comes into a ball. Now that your rainbow balls are done, it's time to explore. Grab your vinegar and a pipette or a spoon and start squeezing it on top of each ball. See what happens and what colors you can make. Let me know on the comments. Now that you've done your own experiment, here's what happened with mine. What happened with yours? Were you able to mix the colors? Was it bubbly? You can keep exploring this experiment by mixing the colors, adding more vinegar, dissolving the balls with a fork or a spoon, and then adding vinegar to it. See what happens. Explore with baking soda and vinegar. This was such a cool project to do with you. Thank you for playing with me today. I hope you had fun with our Rainbow Fizz activity. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to Miss MJ's YouTube channel. See you next Friday for a new video on a fun activity.